Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. And I know it's been a while since I've been around. I actually was out sick, but what I want to talk about today is making money from home, work online. If you're looking to earn an income online, I want to just share some information on what's been going on over the last, I want to say 4 to 6 weeks. What opportunities are actually doing really well right now if you're looking for a home-based business or work from home opportunity. So if you are not familiar with this channel, I just go over different ways that you can earn money from home and different ways that you can work online and actually start building a full-time income or a side hustle. So if you're interested in that, you definitely want to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and every time I load a video, you will be updated on the different things that I have going on. So I've been in the online industry now since 2015. And what I realize is that a lot of people are looking for something to do at home. They want to leave their job. They want an additional income. And basically what I do is I find programs that are newbie friendly that people can actually start using to produce an income. And what I try to do is find systems that are duplicatable, easy to get started with, something that's not going to take up a whole lot of your time. And not only that, something that doesn't allow you to have to put a ton of work in order to start building an income. So even if you have looked at other opportunities in the past, maybe you have had some experience or little success, you want to absolutely take a look at this because I'm going to share with you income proof that what I do works. But not only that, you can have an idea on how you can actually get started. And if you are consistent, how you can start building hundreds of dollars on a weekly basis. This is not a get rich quick overnight. But if you are looking to produce anywhere from $75 all the way up to $300 a day consistently, you can do so within the online space. Now, I'm not going to say that this is something where this is not an passive income opportunity. This is not something that you can actually just put money into and it'll start generating an income. You actually have to put in a little bit of work. So you're going to need anywhere between an hour to 2 hours a day. Okay. Sometimes, depending on your skill set, depending on how tech savvy you are, you may need just about an hour if you know how to navigate the laptop or your desktop. If you need a little bit more time to kind of learn these things, you may need up to 2 hours, okay? But it will pay off, and I'm gonna just show you really quick why, okay? So I'm not gonna start off with the opportunities that I'm gonna talk about, but what I wanna start off is with this. Here is one of my accounts that I use to get funds to my bank account. And this is called Stripe. Stripe is a third-party payment processor. And as you can see here, over the last 12 months, I was able to gross $1.3 million. Okay. And what I'm showing you this not to brag, but to show you what's possible. And I just hit the refresh button so that it can refresh. And again, like I said, this is only one of the accounts that I use that allows me to produce an income. Okay. And what I love about this is that, and as you can see, this is over the last 12 months. What I love about this is that what I'm doing, you can actually do from pretty much anywhere in the world. You can use any payment processor that you want. I chose to use Stripe for one of them. And then I also have an authorized.net account. And here is where you can also see just some of the payments that I've been able to get just over the last month or so. Okay. And this is 1,060 over to the next page. It keeps going. Okay. And I only did this for a few transactions. Okay. So what I love about this space and what I love about just working online is that you're able to work your own hours, but not only that, the sky's the limit on how much you can make. And not only that, you don't have to put in a whole lot of effort in order to start seeing a decent income. So one of the opportunities that I want to discuss is these $39 payments with Cash Alive 39. And people are asking me, is it still working? Is it still producing an income? How is it going so far? And it absolutely is. This is a pretty new opportunity. It hasn't even been 6 months. And I've gained tons and tons of commissions and payments from this opportunity. So what is Cash Alive 39? It's basically an educational platform that's going to show you how to make money utilizing solo ads, but affordable solo ads, and also safe lists if you don't have much of a budget. Okay, so a lot of people have been able to earn $4,000 in less than 30 days, sometimes more or less. And think about it, if you just got 2 payments a day, right, that's totaling almost $80 in one day. 4 payments a day, that's $160. So you're able to actually make a decent income just by promoting this link. And I'm going to go into a little bit of information on how you can do that. With this opportunity, you can use it on social media or you can use it off of social media. It's really up to you. But when you sign up, you're going to get the top secret safe list that is going to allow you to have unlimited traffic and also a solo ad buyers list. You're going to get the email ad copies that you're going to send out to the safe list. That's going to allow you to make the $39 payments over and over and over again. You're going to get a fast start instruction on exactly what to do when you get started, in the reseller rights to be able to get a duplicatable website like this. So you don't have to worry about trying to create a website, build out a website. You're going to actually be able to get a website and have this all built out for you. So these are some of the payment options that are available. If you decide to use anything outside of this, you can also do that, because what's going to happen is when you get your website, it's going to be connected to this button, and this button is going to take people directly to whatever payment processor you decide to use. So just by clicking on this button, it's going to take them to this page that's going to allow them to make the one-time payment. And then from there, it's going to lead them directly to the instructions on how to get started. You'll get an email. If you don't see the email, just check your spam folder. It'll have all the instructions on how to get your website and what to do next. Now, the next opportunity that I want to talk about today is this Infinity processing system. And the reason why is because I've made over $30,000 within 3.5 months with this system, and this is going extremely well. Both of the links will be in the description below if you want to take a look at the opportunities, but this is a short video to just show you how the system works. You can click this button and it'll start playing the video for you. That's going to go into how you can earn anywhere from $50 to $100 per day or even more. And it's a basically 3-step process. So you don't have to have any experience, no selling or pitching, no chance of rejection, no complicated systems, okay? And this work because you're going to get complete training. They are going to create the website for you, and you can also get your funnel built out. 100% commissions once you make your one-time payment, and the payments go directly to you. So you don't have to worry about anybody else getting a hold of your payments and waiting for money to go to your account. You're going to get paid immediately, okay? So step 1, you're going to get started by choosing the level. Post your ads that they're going to give to you, and you're going to get paid. That's basically it. So again, if you want more information about how this works, all you have to do is click on the description. It's going to pull up the website, and then from there, you can actually go in and go ahead and get started. So this is the page that they're going to give you. If you want a funnel created for you, you just reach out to me once you're a member, and then you're going to basically go from there. So these are the levels. You make your payment by hitting the button, and it's going to automatically send you the information that you need in order to get started. Okay, so they have 3 different levels: a $50, a $150, and a $300 level. And then for your website, it's a one-time payment of $25. So these systems that I'm talking about today, they work. As long as you work them and you're consistent with your efforts, you will start to see some momentum within your business. Okay, so I just wanted to share with you what's going on right now, the different opportunities that I'm promoting, what's working now. If you like this video, again, please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Have a great day. And if you need to reach out to me, you can do so by sending me a text message, or you can reach out to me on social media, and I'll answer any questions that you have. So thanks again, guys, and have a great day.